If you test software, then download my productivity scripts. They'll make your job faster and easier. Hi, I'm Scott. I've been testing software in the Seattle high-tech area for the past 20 years, and I can help you with your career growth so that you earn more money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the productivity scripts. But first, like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the content. Okay, go to QAToolBox.org. Click on the download link. It will open up a new tab to my Google Drive. This is what it looks like for me in my Safari, and this is what it looks like for me in my Chrome. Make sure you select the most recent version, right-click on it, and then click the download button. Next, step number 2 is to unzip the file that you've downloaded. After that, you can go into the README directory and check the install instructions. I've opened up the install instructions. Step number 1 is it makes reference to this infographic. This infographic will help you understand the directory structure and configurations for this project. Here's the link. This is what it looks like. I use productivity scripts on my home Mac Air, on my work MacBook, and my work Linux machine. I've organized all of the scripts based off of what's common for everything, or what's common for just my work, or what's common for my work and home Mac OS machines. I've provided BashRC setup examples in the README directory, samples for my home Mac Air, my work MacBook, and my work Linux machine. It doesn't matter which one you pick because you're going to configure it to customize it for yourself anyway. You need to set the PS-dir. That is where you've downloaded and installed the productivity scripts to. www.dir is what directory have you downloaded your automation projects to for your workspace. Remote host is if you SSH into a remote host, like I do from my work MacBook to my work Linux, you would configure that here. There will be some more optional configurations, and I will provide us another video after this. Every time you open up a new terminal session, it will automatically source your BashRC so that you have access to the productivity scripts, or you can force it by typing force BashRC. Next, I've provided a list of video instructions inside the README. Check that out. If you have any questions, email scott@QAToolBox.org, and I provided my LinkedIn profile so that we can connect. Like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my content. I'm going to provide videos for all the productivity scripts and what they can do for you. And check out the list of video instructions in the README directory. This is a list of all of the YouTube videos that explain stuff such as workspace management so that you can zip and zoom around quickly and easily, workspace execution so that you run a gazillion different run options and manage it. And what's unique to me is the log parsing scripts. You're going to love those. Share my channel with your friends and colleagues. These productivity scripts will be useful for both software testers and developers. Start by going to QAToolBox.org and download them now.